Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So here's another DIY. I made a Santa that jumped on the Christmas tree, and if you are following my channel, for sure the Christmas tree is so familiar with you because I made that on my last DIY. So check that out. Let's get started! And here I'm using a paper clip to tie the Santa on the tree. It's a bit challenging, but I made it through, and I also used some of the tree branches to make the Santa feel like he's upright. Yep. You can also put this on a big Christmas tree. I have a version for you at the end of the video. You can check that out. But for now, we're done on our little Christmas tree. I hope you like it. I cannot show you how will I attach this on the big tree because I will get my Christmas tree after Thanksgiving. So that's it. I hope you like it. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, give me a big thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel, you are welcome here. Please subscribe and click the notification bell so that if I have a new video, you're not gonna miss out. Yeah, bye bye. Have a good one, everyone.